Morning. Today's lesson points, lines and angles. Firstly, what's the meaning of the point? The point is an exact location in a space and usually represented by a dot. This example, point A. What is the line segment? The line segment is a part of a line that includes 2 points called end points and all of the points between them. This example for the line segment AB, or we can read it also line segment BA, and the line segment here has 2 end points. For that we can measure its length. What is ray? The ray is a part of a line with one end point that continues without end in one direction. Example, ray CD. The starting point is point C and its direction to point D. And because the ray has no end, we can't measure its length. What is the line? The line is a straight path in a plane that goes on forever in opposite directions. It has no start or end point. Like example here, this line AB, and also we can read it line BA, the same. And because the line has no end points, for that we can't measure its length also. And we must know the line segment is apart from the line, and the ray also is apart from the line. The plane. The plane is a flat surface of points that continues without end in all directions, and we name the plane by at least 3 points in the place. This example, plane ABC. What is the name of this shape? It's ray. And this one, point. And this one, line segment. And this one, line. Is the following is a point, line, or line segment, or a ray? This a line segment, and this a ray, NH. This line KR. This one ray RU. And this point O. This line segment QO. Ray DE. After that, the angle. What is the meaning of the angle? An angle has 2 sides and a vertex, and the 2 sides are rays. The rays share in a common end point. This point is called vertex. The angles are measured by unit is called degree. For example, this angle XYZ, and here point Y is the vertex. The ray YX and YV are the 2 sides. Types of angles. We have 4 types of angles. The first is called acute angle. Its measure is more than 0 and less than 90. Right angle. Its measure is exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle. Its measure is more than 90 and less than 180. And the straight angle, its measure is 180. And we measure the angles by a tool used called protractor. For example, if I have this angle, its name, how we can name the angle? We can name it angle ABC, or angle CBA, or we can name it by the name of its vertex only, angle B. The vertex here is point B. This is the starting point of the 2 rays, and its sides are ray BA and ray BC. What is the name of this angle? What is the kind of this angle? It's right. And this one, obtuse angle. And this one, acute angle. Now, line relationship. We have 4 relationships between the lines. The first is called intersecting lines. They are lines cross each other in one point, like line CD and line AE. They are make cross at point B. For that, we can tell line CD intersect line AE at point B. The second relationship, parallel lines. The parallel lines are 2 lines in the same plane and they never intersect. They are never intersect. Like here, line AE and line DC, they are never intersect. For that, they are called parallel, and this symbol represents the parallel. Perpendicular lines. They are 2 lines intersect to form right angles. In the intersecting lines, there is no right angles. But in the perpendicular lines, when they are intersect, they form 4 right angles. Here we have line AE and line DC. They are form 4 right angles. And this symbol represents the perpendicular. Skew lines. They are 2 lines not in the same plane. Not in the same plane. And they are not parallel and do not intersect. Name any relationship you see in each figure and write intersecting, parallel, or perpendicular. The first represent the intersecting lines, and the second perpendicular lines, the third parallel lines, and the fourth skew lines. When 2 lines intersect at one point, they are form 4 angles. Each 2 opposite angles are called vertical angles, and the vertical angles are equal in measure. For example, here we have angle AEB and angle DEC. They are opposite each other. For that, they are called vertical angles, and the measure of each one 135. And also we have angle AED and the angle BEC. They are opposite each other, and the measure of each is 45, and they are called vertical angles. Now, use this figure. Name an example for each. Point. We have a lot of points here. Choose any one. Point J, point K, point R, point L. I write here point P. No problem. Line segment. Also, you can choose any line segment. We have a lot. PL, PQ, PM, MN, NO, but we must put the symbol of the line segment over it. Line. We have line MQ and also NO and LO. Plane. This is a plane. Name it by any 3 points on it. We can name it PMN, MNO, NOP. Vertex. Vertex of any angle. We have a lot of angles also. We can use point K as a vertex, point P as a vertex, point Q, point O. Here we choose point P. Angle. We have a lot of angles. Angle JKR, angle LKR, angle LPM, angle PMN. Okay, here we write angle LPM. Vertical angles. They are 2 angles opposite each other, like angle LPM and the angle QPO, or angle LPQ and the angle MPO. They are called vertical angles. Use the same figure. Name, write the kind of each angle. Classify each angle. Angle JKR. Angle JKR is right angle. Angle LPQ. LPQ is acute angle. Angle NOS. NOS acute angle. Angle LOS this obtuse angle. Angle QPM straight angle. Angle RKL this obtuse angle. Angle SQM it's acute angle. And PMN is obtuse angle. This is the end of our session. Thanks.